Dear friends, welcome to you. Learn Science with Fun. This is YouTube channel for students. Here today we are going to discuss here the foundation course. Means the students who are appearing for NEET or JEE in future, means after 12th standard, then this video will be very useful for them, because in this video we are going to discuss some basic things which are very helpful for NEET as well as JEE examination point of view. For 8th, 9th and 10th standard students, we are releasing here one big opportunity for you. So in this video, some examples are there which are based on the important concept distance and displacement. Everybody know what is mean by distance, what is mean by displacement. Then here some example which are based on this concept, and we will again meet in the next video for new concept. So let us see, without consuming the time here, the question number first, which is based on distance and displacement. First example: an athlete complete one round of circular track of radius r in 40 seconds. The displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds will be. Options are here: 0, 2r, pi r or 7 pi r. Let us see, dear friends. Suppose what happened, there is one circular track and there is one athlete. The dot indicates the athlete. And what will happen here? He is staying at point A. Now, what will happen here? Here, one complete round. So, 2 minutes 20 seconds means how many seconds? Just to see. 2 minutes means 60 seconds plus more 20. So, 140 seconds. Therefore, number of rounds, how many rounds will be taken? Because in 40 seconds, the athlete complete one round. So, 140 divided by 40. How many rounds are there? 3 rounds and 20 seconds left. So let us see 3 rounds and how many seconds left and what is the displacement of that athlete. So let us see here now. The first round is going on. Second round is going on. After then, the third round is going on. After third round, what will happen? That athlete reaches at point B. So what will happen here? In three first rounds, displacement will be 0, because every time that athlete reaches point A, so displacement will be 0. But last 20 seconds left, the displacement will be A to point B, because you should know what is the displacement. Displacement means shortest distance between initial and final position. So A to B, it is the shortest distance, and its look, what it look? Diameter. And you know radius will be r, then definitely diameter of circle will be 2r. Therefore, the answer of this question is 2r. The option number second is the answer. So, shortest distance is A to B. That is 2r means 2 times radius means 1 time diameter. So, diameter of circle is 2r and option also 2r. Okay, dear friends, now we are moved towards the second example here. See, what is the example? In a 15 minutes, a car whose speed is 36 km per hour travels a distance of 9 km, 0.9 km, 540 km and 28 km. Let us see the answer. You know one important formula here. Distance is equal to speed into time. According to that, what will happen? First of all, that 15 minutes should be converted into hour, because speed is in kilometer per hour. So units should be same. Therefore, distance is equal to 36 kilometer into, that is a speed, and time is 15 minute means 15 upon 60 hour. Therefore, 15s are 115, 15 4s are 60. So distance is equal to 36 into 1 upon 4. Therefore, 4 9s are the distance covered by car in 15 minutes will be 9 km per hour. Just conversion is very important here. Minute, hours, etc. After then, dear friends, we are moved towards the third example. in front of you. Let us see here. What is the example? A train has a speed of 60 km per hour for the first 1 hour and 40 km for next half hour. Its average speed in kilometer per second, kilometer per hour is 50, 53.33, 48 or 70. Let us see what will happen. Speed of a train in 40 km is half hour. Speed of the train is 40 km half hour, means in 1 hour it should be 80 km. Therefore, the speed of the train is 80 km per hour in first half. Okay, after then 40 for the next half hour. So average speed, what will happen in average speed? Train has a 60 km per hour in first half hour and next it is 80 km per hour, 80 km. Therefore, both are in hour and divided by 2. 60 plus 80 divided by 2. Therefore, 140 upon 2. The answer is 70 km per hour. So, we just not added 60 plus 40 as it is. Just we convert. The train covers 40 km in half hour. Means it should be covered 80 km in 1 hour. So, kilometer per hour and here first also kilometer per hour. Therefore, 60 plus 80, 140 upon 2. Average speed of that train is 70 km per hour. Now, dear friends, move towards the fourth question here. A body goes from A to B with a velocity 20 meter per second and comes back to B to A with velocity of 30 meter per second. Means going velocity 20 and coming velocity 30. The average velocity of the body during whole journey 0, 24 meter per second, 25 meter per second or 30 meter per second. Let us see what will happen here. Average velocity is equal to 20 plus 30 upon 2 because the distance is same here, the path is same here. Therefore, 20 plus 30 upon 2, it will be 50 by 2. Therefore, average velocity of that bus or a body in whole journey will be 25 meter per second because 50 upon 2 is will be 25 meter per second. Move towards sixth one. See here, a man goes 10 meter towards the north, then he 20 meters towards east. The displacement is 22.5 meter, 25 meter, 25.5 meter or 30 meters. See, look at the picture, very easy one. A to B, it is looks east 10 meter. From B to C, that is north 20 meter. It looks like a rectangle, right angle in between them. Therefore, A to C is the displacement because it is the shortest distance. AB to BC is actual path followed by the object. Therefore, actual path followed by the object AB plus BC is equal to 30 meter. But displacement is the shortest, means in between initial and final position. So A to C. According to Pythagoras theorem, you know very well. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Put values 10 square plus 20 square. It becomes 100 plus 400. That's why 500. AC square is equal to 500. Taking square root. And approximate square root is 22.36. Therefore, the approximate value is AC. That is 22.5 meter. Hence, a man goes A to B, B to C. But its displacement, actual distance between A to C is 22.5 meter. It is the approximate value. Then we do more example number 7, dear friends. Relation between displacement of distance covered by a moving object will be: displacement is greater than or equal to distance, displacement is less than distance, displacement is greater than distance, or displacement is less than or equal to distance. See here one picture. What happened here? A to B, B to C. Suppose we consider 3 and 4. But according to Pythagoras theorem, it should be 5. It is the displacement. So, AB plus BC, when there is a curved, there is no straight line, distance is always displacement. So, displacement is 5. So, what will happen? Displacement is less than distance in this case because there is curved path, there is no straight line. It is one condition. Later on, see, suppose X and Y, another one path that is 6 meter, but it is straight line. It is straight. Therefore, while X to Y, both distance and displacement are here equal. 6 meter, distance is also 6 meter and displacement also 6 meter. So in second condition, displacement and distance are equal. Therefore, when we calculate both displacement less than distance in one condition and displacement is equal to distance in second condition, So answer will be displacement is less than or equal to distance. If there is curved path, it is less. If there is straight line, it is equal, but never greater than distance. So option number 4 is correct. Displacement less than or equal to distance. 8th one. Now dear friends, see here. The total distance covered by a car is 200 meter. Total cover. Is cover the first half of distance at speed of 40 km per hour and second half of distance is at V. If average speed is 48 km per hour, then value of V. We have to find V. 52, 60, 48 or 65. Let us see what will happen. Average speed is equal to 200 upon here 100 plus upon 40 plus 100 upon V. Distance upon velocity or distance upon speed plus distance upon speed in second session. So 100 upon 40 plus 100 upon V. So while we taking 100 common, 100 and 200, only just 2 left. So 40 average speed we have to put. 40 is equal to 2 upon 1 upon 40 plus 1 upon V. We are rearranging it. After rearranging, what will happen? 1 upon 40 plus 1 upon V is equal to 2 upon 48, means 1 upon 24 left. Therefore, taking cross multiplication, 1 upon V is equal to 40 minus 24 upon 40 to 24. So V taking alternating. So V is equal to 14 to 24 upon 60. Therefore, it becomes 16 and 20, 40. We have to think over it. 4 4s are 4 10s are, and here 4 1s are 4 6s are, 10 and 60. 6 are left in the numerator. So it becomes 60 km per hour. It is a little bit difficult one, but while we are thinking about distance and displacement example, we have to look over some proper formulas and we go through it. So the answer is 60 km per hour. Just 2 examples are left. 9 number. We have 2 more. Example number 9, dear friends. A cyclist travels 5 km in east direction. Then he travels 20 km in south direction. What is the magnitude of the displacement of the cycle? We have to find magnitude. Means shortest distance. 17, 13, 7 or 0 km. Let us see here. When we look at the picture, 5 and 12. These are actual path followed by the object, that cyclist. That is actual path, that is distance. And the shortest distance, that is displacement. What will happen? According to Pythagoras theorem again, displacement square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. Again 144 plus 5. Therefore 169, and the displacement is the square root of 169 is 13. Therefore the 13 is the displacement of this cyclist. So the magnitude of displacement of cycle is 13 km. Option number 2 is the answer. And we have 2 more. Last example here. A ball is thrown vertically upward. It rises height of 20 meter and comes back to same place, continuously up and down. Then what will happen? Total distance covered by the ball is 0. Net displacement of the ball is 0. Displacement is 40. Both the distance and displacement are both 40 meter each. See the picture here. There is a ball and its height 20 meter A to B. So will go up to 20 meter. See here, it is going at 20 meter and come down same position. Same position means the displacement is 0 here, because initial and final position there is no change. Let us see. Shortest distance between initial and final position means displacement we know very well. Therefore, after reaching A to B, okay, again B to A means the after reaching to ground A to A means going to B, again come to A. That is shortest distance 0 meter, because there is no displacement at all. Therefore, net displacement of ball is 0. There is no displacement at all. Therefore, option number, which one? 2nd is the answer. So these are few examples, dear friends. After then, if you look like this video, share this video, subscribe, and in the next session we will discuss the next foundation course 2nd, and concepts are acceleration. Based on acceleration, few examples will display in front of you. Up to that, thank you.